let's go through a few basics. I'm making graphics on Canva. Here's the main Canva screen. You can kind of look around and see that they have topics for Facebook posts, Facebook covers, stories. And so you can definitely go that way if you know exactly what kind of graphic or image you're looking to make. You can also, let's see what I'm going to next here. Come right on the toolbar on the side, and this is usually where I go, and I just go right to social media. Once I'm in social media, I just pick if I'm going to do a Facebook post, a cover, or something for my story. So today I'm just going to show you a Facebook post. So there's a bunch of graphics that are already kind of done here that you can utilize. So many. You can even come up here and search, so you can put in holiday or black and white or colorful, whatever you want, topic, to see what ones come up. Right now, I'm just going to kind of show you this one here. If you just love this yellow color on the back here, you could come right in here to this graphic and just realize that all the little graphics on these can be deleted or moved or changed. So I'm just showing you that on this one, if you wanted to use just the yellow background and those white lines, you can delete all those question marks. You just click right on them, hit the delete button, and you can just make it your own. So I'm not going to use this one right now. I'm going to find a different one here just to show you. I'm going to take this pink one here and just create a quick Seint graphic. So I'm going to hit the customize, and now it's opened, and I can delete out if I don't want this little happy birthday circle and I don't want the cupcake. I'm just going to get those out of there. And I'm just going to start editing. So I could come in here and change the font. So I'm going to put learn about there, or learn about the, and then I'll come down here and put in the Seint Artist Program. Now you can see that I could change the font size up on the top here, so I can make it smaller or bigger. And then I can also move the box that the font is in, so I can kind of stretch it out. So you can kind of see, I'll kind of straighten it out this way. I can kind of pull it down, adjust it, shift things around however I want, depending what I'm looking for. So I'm just kind of moving it so you guys can see, move it to the top, move it over, whatever I want. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger here and adjust it. But you can play around with all of those as well. You can also play around with the format, center, to the left, to the right, that kind of thing. And you could see that's all on the top there. That's also where you could change the color, the size of the font style, bold, italic, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just doing a learn about the artist program. And then right down here, I'm just going to put any questions. If I didn't want this little font bar down there where it says any questions, I could just delete that out as well. And then you can see that I could change the font. So I can go through and click, through all these and see which one I like the best, change the size of my font, and just kind of customize this however I want. So I'm just going to make this a little bigger. You can see that I can delete out if I wanted to delete that little image that's up there. If I want to duplicate it, you just click and hit the plus, and I can make another one of those little tape marks. I can also do that on the text. I can click on a text box and hit duplicate, the plus in the square, and that'll just create another text box for you. So I'm just going to delete these two because I don't want them there. And I'm going to delete this little birthday candle. So now I want to just change this image and put an image of my own. So there's a bar on the side here, and I'm going to go to uploads. So you can either click, so I have all these already uploaded in my Canva, but to upload your own, you'd click upload files in purple right there. Or you could just go right into your images on your phone or your computer. So I'm just going to go into my downloads here that are right on my computer, and you can just pick your image that you want, and you can just drag it right in to your Canva app. Now it'll just be in there. You can use it for any images or things you're going to do. This is of my dog, which is obviously not about the Seint Artist Program, but it's cute. And you can just grab that image and pull it over. So I'm not going to use my dog while I do this. I'm going to just show you guys a different one here. So I'm just going to scroll down, see what images I have in here, pick one to throw in here. So I'm just going to grab this palette, drag it over, and put that image right in there. So you can do this. You can switch out that image to another one if you want. And I don't know. There we go. This one looks a little bit better. So we'll throw that in, learn about the Seint Artist Program, any questions. And then now if you want to put your little marking on here, I don't know why I can't think of the name of it or what I'm thinking, but so here's my Makeup Mama little tag. I have that already loaded in my Canva, and I can just kind of add that to all my graphics. I could change the size, put it in the bottom corner. Mine's a transparent one that I had made, but if yours had a little white background, you can still use it. And I'm just going to pop that in the bottom right of this graphic here. And I am ready to go. So super easy. This is using a pre-made one and just taking off a little bit of the stuff that was already there. When you're done, you'll go to the share in the top right, and you'll go to download. So this will download it right to your phone or your computer, wherever you're doing the graphic from. So once you hit download, the button will turn purple. You'll hit download again, and this will save the image to your computer or your phone, again, whichever one you're working on. And then you have that image there to upload into your Facebook, to your stories, into your VIP group. You'll just open your downloads, and there will be your graphic. So super simple to use some of the prefabbed images and just edit them to your liking. I hope that this helped.